Iodine is often a forgotten mineral. Dr. David Brownstein, who lives near Detroit, one of my favorite and most trusted doctors that I know, he's tested, the last time I heard, over 7,000 of his patients for iodine deficiency, and I believe the number was 96.4% were iodine deficient. Iodine is an essential, critical mineral. It controls metabolism. Thyroid hormone is made with iodine. Medical science has known, and governments have known, 70 years. I don't know when they started putting iodine in salt because they knew that iodine deficient people would get goiter. And they knew that iodine cured it. What they didn't tell anybody, is that iodine is very volatile. So you put it in the salt, not a lot, just enough to prevent goiter. But when you put it on the table, it evaporates. So within days, there's really hardly any iodine left in iodized salt. The thyroid gland, the breasts, the ovaries, and the prostate gland concentrate and need more iodine than all the other cells. Every cell needs iodine because, as I said, it's the basis of metabolism. When somebody is iodine deficient, they're going to be vulnerable, especially.
You've just watched the first minutes of this video. To continue, the full version is available on Substack. The link is in the description.